Take a ride in the 2004 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, dual rear wheels, engine block heater, skid plate package. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.